Today is all about the HLOOKUP function within Excel, which is super similar to the VLOOKUP, but instead of well, as the VLOOKUP looks vertically, the HLOOKUP will search horizontally. All right, so here's some information that we have. Let's say that we have we have a store. We sell different versions of a product, total spent, and we have the zip code to where these items will be shipped. And we want to give them a discount depending on where their zip code lies, right? So maybe it's a little closer so we can cut costs on shipping a little bit or something like that. All right, and then we have the discount info here for our business. So if they have these zip codes, they get the associated discount price, correct? So we want to figure out each one of these buys or purchases, how big of a discount they'll get. So we'll do an HLOOKUP function. So the lookup value we want will be cell D4. We want it to look up the zip code. The table array will be right here, and we'll go ahead and lock that. And the row and index number, since this is an HLOOKUP, it will look horizontally, right? So we want it to go down 2 and display horizontally. So we'll go 2, and then we want it always normally to be false so that it's an exact match. So basically what this is doing, it's going to look for this zip code here, and once it finds it, it will display the second row. So for example, it will look for 55463, which is here, then it will go down to the second row and display 25%. And we can go ahead and do that for the rest, and we'll display NA are not available for those zip codes that are not within this jurisdiction, I guess, or this data set. All right, so here we can see, just to double check, 75768, that's a 15%. 6473, yep, all right, 10%. All right, so perfect. So that's just a super simple, brief explanation of the HLOOKUP function, very similar to the VLOOKUP, very useful in finding data in large data sets and things like that. If you have any questions, just feel free to leave a comment below. Hopefully in the future we'll have a more advanced video on HLOOKUPs as well as VLOOKUP functions. Go ahead and subscribe and make sure you hit that like button. All right, thanks everyone. Have a good one. Bye.